Boy, guys, it's giveaway time. ¿Qué estás haciendo, Yara?
Saben, mire, una comidita bien sabrosa, papi.
¿Qué es eso?
Steaks y camarón de agua dulce. Camarón de agua dulce está más sabroso. Cállate, esto es tradicional de allá de Tamaulipas.
¿Qué es eso?
Camaroncitos.
La panza, ¿sabes por qué?
Si les duele la panza, es por los camarones que están mal, ¿no? Pues el cocinero está...
Boy, valió chorizo, guys. So, ahora sí, va a ser su carne asada Yera Fat y vamos a escoger el ganador de la mamalona GMC. Primero hay que empezar el live de Instagram.
Espérense, miren. Ay, papá, eso ya está.
Vamos a hacer giveaway hoy.
Está bien chingón, ¿no? Hoy se anuncia el ganador, guys. Ojalá y que... Suerte para todos, pero ojalá y que se quede aquí de repente.
¿Es eso o 20K cash?
Los dos, ahorita sí como está la situación, los dos son buenos.
Guys, it's time. It is time. Morro, te tocó ahora a ti, güey. No está Dani ni Oscar. Espérate, güey, pero que se mire así de la así. Guys, so it's time to announce the giveaway winner. Aquí está Jay haciendo la carne asada.
Saben.
Vamos allá a enseñar la mamalona Yera.
A ver.
Yera Fat. Now guys, we are not going to be announcing our upcoming giveaway till the guys are back because we got a couple of trucks that I don't know which one to give away, to be honest with you. You guys comment on the video, on the YouTube video, comment on the video, on the live right now. What truck do you want us to give away next? ¿Usted qué piensa, Yera? ¿Cuál?
A mí me gusta mucho la levantadita. Aquella levantadita que le pusieron los wheels. Esa
sí.
está bien bonita. Esa está como un poquito off-road, tipo para andar como en el desierto, algo así más o menos.
Está bien,
¿Te acuerdan de ella? La que es blanca.
Esta está otra Papa Exclusive, guys. It's getting painted.
¿Qué color?
Está un color bien perro.
No.
Aquí está la mamalona giveaway truck. Now, we are also going to be announcing the winner of the satchel bag. But we're going to do that. We're going to end the live. We're going to pick the names because I got it on my Instagram. And then we're going to go back live once we pick all the names. And we're going to choose a winner for the bag or the 2000 or the wheels. So the winner's going to get to choose. But for now, we're going to focus on giving away this badass truck, guys. Custom paint job by Papa Exclusive.
Cosmis.
Interior.
System también.
Badass system. Speedy got down with this one, guys. We got the badass interior, as you can see. And we got the door panels right here. El mamalones. And Speedy went ahead and did this custom touch right here.
Qué bonito se mira eso ahí, No lo había mirado.
Of course, we got the stitching right here. We got the Project Torque on the headrest. And then we got another panel over there for more speakers. Atrás le pusimos speaker box by Keith, 212 audios, mamalón, badass headliner, sway. This truck is not too crazy. It's just enough where you can ride, cruise it, and nothing too. Así está con madre al chile.
Está perfecta para un daily, para el que la quiere para un daily, para ir a la escuela o para ir al trabajo, está perfecta.
Just like the OG, guys. So, of course, we got the cow tracks already put on there. Vargas went ahead and put a posse unit on it, and we got the Crespo wing, brand new headlights, tail lights, everything new, bumpers, badass sound bedliner by Papa Exclusive. Y nomás nos falta otro placazo ahí ya. Third brake light, third jale. Of course, I don't know if you guys seen on my last video on YouTube. Vargas went ahead and changed all the brakes all around this truck. Le cambió frenos y discos y todo el pedo.
Y la hizo posse. So ya jala con las dos.
Guys, over here, we got the brand new windshield. We got the 2-inch cow hood. We got the grill custom match by Papa Exclusive. HD grill, HD bumper. Y aquí esto está painted to match bien mamalón. So, está quedando al cienazo, guys.
Quedó.
Todavía.
Está bien bonita. El ganador se va a rayar con esta troquita como siempre. Ya saben, aquí Projector, antes de mandarlas quedan al 100. Sonido, motor, transmisión, diferencial, todo para que se la lleve y anda al 100. El interior también está bien bonito. El sonido también, no sé si lo puedes prender, pero el
Pues
sonido
es que
está...
está en el pinche teléfono, pero ahorita lo prendemos. Okay guys, so the winner is gonna get to choose a truck or 20K cash. Now 20K cash is still a lot of money.
It is still a lot of money.
20K cash, guys, you can do a lot of things with 20K cash. You could go put a down payment on a house. You could go and buy you another truck. You know what I'm saying? A dually. Put a down payment for a dually or whatever. I don't know. Pay off your loans, pay off your college, whatever. So possibilities are endless, guys. Pero si no, the winner's taking that truck. And if the winner doesn't take the truck, JR, y se nos queda, we're gonna put a turbo on it.
Ándale, ya dijo. Ya tengo un jale. Bonita, está bien, bien bonita.
So yeah, guys, today we're gonna focus on doing the giveaway.
¿Qué pasó, Vargas? ¿Por dónde va?
¿Dónde va, Mike?
Apenas va a salir. Ay,
Va a salir la... Fui y trajo un chingo de carne, pues, ya. Mira.
Mira los camaroncitos, ¿cómo se miran?
Ya se está quemando, viejo.
Oh, ya está. Este
No
lado.
se está quemando, no tiene cómo ver. Ya se están quemando ya.
No, señor. Prueba uno para que mires.
Pero ya están buenos para comer.
Ya tienen, ya hasta se están pasando.
Nah, creo.
Voy a buscar el cepillo para una cepilladita porque eso ya está, la lumbre también ya está. ¿Echas un camaroncito?
Ay, güey, están buenos, Está un poco salado.
Pero también calientitas.
Ahí están los palitos para que la agarren.
Sí.
Oh, ¿qué pasó?
No, así, están los palitos ahí.
Alright, guys. So we're not gonna take much of you guys' time. Vamos para adentro. Vamos para adentro ya.
¿Ya?
Es el ganador. Este jale está en caliente. Ahora no hicimos mucho show, guys. Como saben, todos ya están ahorita en Atlanta because we got a show going on this weekend. Atlanta Truck Invasion. Pero también esa sí está bien perra,
Sí.
Puede que sea algo, Puede que sea un giveaway o algo. So let's go inside. We have the computer inside. We're not going to have any issues with the internet.
Alright.
La cárcel.
Are you ready to rumble?
Alright.
Okay.
So, a ver, ve. Okay, guys. So here we have a long list of names of everybody that I got entered on the giveaway. So, guys, just zoom in a little bit para que la gente mire, güey. Morro. A ver.
Got too much stuff going on right now.
There it is, guys. You already know how it is. You see that little thing scrolling? It was a lot of people, but good luck to everybody, guys. Good luck to everybody. ¿Dónde piensa usted que se va a ir la troca
Ya
ya?
digo, ojalá que se quedara aquí en Houston, pero vamos a ver. Tenemos mucha gente aquí local, del Valle, de Los Ángeles, de California también. Ahora que andaban allá, ya ves cómo estaban.
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma, ¿nunca se ha ido una?
No. Compras.
Okay, so guys, we're not going to take much of your time. We're going to go ahead and get this done. Click it. Grábale ahí cerquita, vale.
¡Mira!
José
Ay,
Martínez.
cabrones.
Deme boy. Alright, guys, so we're going to head outside because I'm just going to bring the
And
phone
I'll give you the...
with the phone number and we're going to call them right now.
¿No dice de dónde?
Sí, ahorita lo voy a buscar.
Para mí que se queda en Texas.
¿Sí se está viendo bien?
Sí.
Okay, guys, so Cassandra's gonna get the phone right now, the phone number. We're gonna call the winner y a ver if he takes the truck or 20K cash.
Ahora ya entra el nervio de a ver qué se va a llevar. Si se lleva la troca, bien. Y si lleva el dinero, también bien.
Mira, ¿qué piensas de hacer esta otra vez o vamos?
Esta troca está bien bonita. Yo quisiera hacerla otra vez. Para que la
Vamos
gente
a
tenga
hacer-
la oportunidad
Guys,
de...
Tenemos esta, tenemos la azul, tenemos la levantada que va a pintar Papa Exclusive.
Esa levantada les va a gustar bastante. Ya que
Tenemos, ¿qué otra troca? Tengo un chingo de trocas. Just comment, de las todas que ustedes saben que hay, ahorita everything's up for
Except
grabs.
the OG.
Comment, Shelby.
No, tranquilo.
no se crean. Un día.
A ver hasta dónde se va esa troquita ahorita.
A mí que se queda aquí en Texas.
¿Sí?
Hopefully they pick the cash. They get the money, we turbo it, and we give it away again with the badass
Ándale,
turbo.
ya con turbo.
Déjeme va. Ya échale pues la carne ya. Empiece a...
Se va a acabar el carbón.
¿Eh?
¿Qué dicen, morro? ¿Qué dicen? Saludos, ¿para quién?
La C10, dicen, I want the C10.
Esta sí ten. También se puede. Nomás que vamos a dejar que la gente escoja bien el teléfono. ¿De dónde bebé?
It's a 956 number.
¡Ay, cabrón!
It's San Juan, Texas.
San Juan, Texas.
¿De
San
dónde es
Juan,
Lugueño?
Texas. Yeah, that's a number. Well, guys, a ver. This guy ordered a Green Machine shirt and a lanyard. He's from San Juan, Texas. Zip code 78589. Unfortunately, his number doesn't work, but he did provide us with the email. And we're gonna get his number, guys. We will go live whenever we actually get his number. And
or his email. Or cuando pague el beat.
yeah, is that why you think so?
Because the says it's not accepting phone calls right now. A ver, let me
He might be
see.
at work.
A ver, déjame, préstame su teléfono.
O usted ya préstame si usted para marcarle. Nope. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna have to email him hopefully we can get in contact with him. And like I said, we'll go live again and call the winner.
José Martínez, guys,
Si lo
alguien que lo
conocen.
conozca que esté live.
¿Qué es en McAllen?
Sí, San Juan.
Oh, sí.
Guys, si alguien conoce a José Martínez que vive en San Juan, tell him I don't know his phone number. Tiene que contactarnos. And that one, si está cerquitas aquí ya, se me hace que la llevamos.
Yo sé, sí, no estamos.
Para grabarlo.
Está como a 6 horas.
Si nos aventamos 6 horas en un día, vamos y
Vamos y
venimos.
venimos fácil.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, guys. So right now we're gonna end the live, guys. Like I said, whenever we come back from Atlanta, we will announce our upcoming giveaway. And if you guys wanna get entries for the upcoming giveaway, you can shop right now. Click the link, get your entries. And thanks again to everybody that reps Project Torque. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my subscribers on my Instagram. We're gonna pick 10 of those people. We're gonna get all that on video. And then we're gonna go back on live and pick the winner of the satchel bag, the wheels, or the 2,000 cash. So be back with you guys shortly. Okay guys, so it seems like the winner called.
Maybe.
We're gonna call him, so like I said, if he's the winner and he could tell us.
Or do you want to first call him and then get on live?
No, I'll go on live first. That way we can get his legit reaction. Ay, ¿tú para qué traes lentes, güey, si no hay sol?
No sé. Estaba estorbando.
Alright guys, so it seems that the winner called back. So we're gonna ask him a couple questions, and if he's able to verify that it's him, his email, his address, and everything else, then it's him. Let's call him. Hello? Sí, José Martínez?
Yes, sir.
¿Qué onda, brother? ¿Ya sabes quién te habla? There he's happy. Hey, so what did you buy, my boy?
I bought a the C10 shirt and a lanyard of the Project Torque.
What color?
Black, and I got a blue lanyard and a red lanyard.
Ah, okay. And can you verify me your email? Damn it, boy. Here.
Why his phone number?
Why your phone number don't work, hey?
It's because my phone got disconnected.
Ah, okay. Well, brother, pues ya sabes qué show. Ya sabes qué show. ¿Ella está queredor, viejo? A ver, cuz, ¿qué vas a querer? It's actually 25K cash. We just
25K cash?
25K cash or the truck. Yeah, I had said 20K cash on the live, but it's actually 25. People let me know. Whenever we say something, I mean, if I said 25, it's 25. So you can take 25K cash or a badass GMC, the OG clone.
GMC. GMC is coming to the valley, baby.
Damn it, boy. What part of the valley you from, güey?
San Juan, Texas.
San Juan, Texas. Hey, all the information checked out right. I was kind of iffy. I'm like, man, what if this is somebody just calling us trying to win the truck? But nah, you checked out right, my boy. Thank you for supporting. And how long you been watching?
I'm like, yes, I won. And I'm trying to contact you guys, and I'm like, damn it.
¿Qué dijiste? Hey,
I'm like, oh, my nombre, valió verga.
¿Qué te iba a decir, cuz? How long you been watching the YouTube channel for?
Forever, bro, since you started the YouTube channel, and I've been, as a matter of fact, I entered for the dually you guys had, the Chevy dually.
Oh yeah, the first one?
Yeah, I entered for that one, bro, but like I didn't get a chance to win, so you know what, I'm gonna try it again. And
That's what I tell everybody, wait, just because you didn't win once, you never know. I mean, we do get a lot of people that enter these giveaways, but I mean, you bought a t-shirt and a lanyard and you're taking home, I mean, that truck is really worth a lot of money, like more than 25, you know what I'm saying?
oh, yeah,
Interior, wheels.
There's a lot of racing.
Yeah, and then we put the cow tracks, we put the posse, we got a badass interior, badass sound system. And man, for you, we're gonna go ahead and take it to you probably sometime next week.
Hell yeah.
So,
yeah.
956,
956, papa.
956, here we come.
Next week, Saturday.
Yes, sir.
So possibly by next Saturday we'll be over there, wait.
Ándele.
If anything, just contact this number.
Ya está.
My cousin's number.
Ya está, cuz, gracias, cuz. And thank you for supporting the brand. And for the people that are watching the live way and think that this is fake or that we're really not giving away trucks, what do you gotta say?
It's not fake. It's not fake. It's real. I didn't believe it, and now look where I'm at. Look, I got one 5.3 GMC giveaway. Hell yeah.
Damn, not cualquier GMC, the OG clone.
The OG clone.
Yeah.
The OG clone.
Y dile que todavía le puede pensar.
No. I really like when people pick the trucks. That way, people can see them out there and they know that it's for sure. You know, they know we ain't playing around.
Especially here in the valley where I'm next to the Edinburgh Motorsports track.
Ándale.
Está bueno, cuz.
Yeah.
No, pues, oh yeah, está bueno, cuz. So I'll be seeing you next week then. We'll keep in
Alright.
touch.
Okay, thank you.
Listo, cuz. Gracias.
Hey,
¿Quién era?
you never know, guys. You never know.
Hey, ahorita me mandas tu Instagram a este número so we can put it on the ahí en el video.
Okay, ya está, Juan.
Por acá. Está bien contento.
¿Eh?
You know
Manches,
what?
no lo-
He was on live and that number kept calling and calling.
Uh-huh.
And when you hung up, it said maybe Jose,
Maybe Jose
Martinez.
Martinez. El
And I'm like,
vato,
956, maybe. And then he did look, and he's like, oh, maybe Jose Martinez. He probably just changed the
Well, there you have it, guys. The winner just called. He told you guys he entered the baby dually giveaway. That's been like fucking 10 giveaways ago. And now he's like, okay, I might enter again, and he won. So if you guys haven't gotten entries to win one of our trucks, make sure to do so, guys, because you never know, it might be you next time. And whenever they say you don't win, if you don't get entered, it's 100% true. So get your entries. Like I said, if you guys want to pick up merch right now, you can shop and the entries will go for the upcoming giveaway. Damn, está con madre. Vamos para 956. 956 cat.
¿Vamos, Uri, o qué?